A heat pump transports energy from one side to the other.
It's the most efficient way to heat homes.
It will be innovation, future, efficiency, green, and propane.
It would be Ethan Hunt from Mission Impossible because he makes impossible things possible.
Maybe like Superman. He always disappears after the job is done. Why not Superman?
I think Goku because they will save the world.
SpongeBob because it's kind of look cute, but working hard and working for the people around him. So
It would obviously be a superhero because it's a remarkable machine. You can get energy from a very low temperature and rise it so it's usable in heating homes. It's a fantastic machine.